everyone, I'm Ms Ashlea from the Terrific Twos team, and today I'm going to show you how to make Earth Day popcorn. So it's really cool, it's really simple, so just follow along, and here we go. Alright, so the first thing we want to make sure is that our oven is preheated to 225, and then you want to make sure that your stove is on medium-low. You're going to take your pot and you are going to mix three things. First, three things. Your half a cup of light corn syrup.
Go ahead and mix that in there. All right.
And then your 1 cup of sugar. And then you're going to take your 1/3 cup of butter. Now, remember, it doesn't have to be melted, but you want to make sure that it's softened. Take your spoon and you mix lightly until the butter is completely melted. Alright, so now that you have your mixture, you want to bring it to a boil and then stir continuously for 3 minutes. Alright friends, so now once it has finished boiling, you have stirred it continuously for 3 minutes. Now you want to remove it from the heat. Once you remove it from the heat, we are going to take it and divide into 2 cups. Now, you have both of your Kool-Aid packets. The first one, we are going to make blue, just a little. And the second, we are going to make green, just a little. Now this part is where you want to add your baking soda. You are going to divide your baking soda evenly. 1 and 2. All right, so now you are going to mix. We'll start off with this one. First, we're going to see how bright this blue is. And then if we would like to make it a brighter blue, all we need to do is add food coloring. Now I can tell this is already going to be a super light blue, which is probably because I did not add enough of the Kool-Aid. But no worries, you can either add extra Kool-Aid or you can add food coloring. I'm going to choose food coloring. I'm just going to give it 1 drop.
And mix. You can tell the difference already. And you want to mix it very well. Make sure that the center is blue as well. And you're going to repeat for both. For the green as well.
All right, so now once you have mixed together your blue and your green, now you are going to take your gallon-sized bags and your popcorn, and we are going to divide our popcorn into a bag. Just like this. All right, and then once you have finished, you want to take some of your mixture and we're going to add it inside of the bag.
Just a little bit more. Now don't use as much popcorn as inside your bag. Now you can do this.
All right, so once you have mixed your popcorn evenly coated, you want to make sure that you lay it flat on your pan and ready to go in the oven. While it's in the oven, you want to make sure that you are checking it every 10 minutes, making sure you shake it around. That way that all sides are getting toasty evenly. And now here is the finishing product. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And that is how you make Earth Day popcorn. Enjoy.